there will come a time, a day, a moment when words are not enough, when the letters hooking to other letters and tying themselves to each other, the trains of vowels and consonants chasing each other out of my mouth, just won't do justice to the avalanche that you're struggling through. If this is that day, if these are those moments, I will not speak. But I have no choice but to leave you with these attempts, as futile as they might be. For words are all I have to offer, and the only currency I believe in. This is not, and never will be, a goodbye. You should not, and never can hold on to the should-haves, or could-haves, or why didn't I's. The time will come, I promise you, for us all to stop wearing these bodies atop these souls. The time of taking one long, full, and deep breath in through these lungs, only to exhale it out through brand new lips. The last light we will ever see through these perfect and beautiful eyes will be the first light. The exact same and blinding gorgeous first light that filters through new irises and shocks our tiny pupils before we blink. What a gift every single day in between has always been. What a hauntingly painful and sublimely joyous gift to live. Truly live every single day in between these firsts and yes, these lasts. Do not carry the weight of all you did not say, the times you did not make the time, or the excuses you made, because there is a secret you must know. Those that leave us never do. They see us how we never could, and how we were always so scared to. When they go, bravely stepping into the first day of their new lives, all they pack into the bags they choose to carry are the memories that soothe their longing and settle their aching bones. It is we, always we, that carry the luggage of regret and the burdens of doubt. Somewhere, right this very second, they are beginning their journey back into love. Somewhere, right this very instant, the first wobbly steps in their search has begun again. Somewhere, the only person that truly makes sense to them, the only person to ever exist and exist exactly for them, is waiting. You will hurt. You will cry, and you will be scared. You will miss and long and ache and look for their fingerprints on the life you're going to lead without them. You will swear you heard, if only for an instant, the sound of their laughter or the timbre of their voice. This is okay. And more than that, this is beautiful. Hold on to the sadness you feel like a trophy. Hoist it high above your head and shout to the photo that is not being taken of you that you love them. You will always love them, and you are proud of the tears that roll down your face. They live inside the memories that give shape to those tears, and you must never apologize for your sorrow, nor your joy when it too returns to your days. These are the words for those that remain, for all of us and all of you that are left scrambling and shaking and weeping tears of compassion and joy and confusion. These are the words when words are not enough. I say them because I must say them, because words are all I have to offer besides my shoulder and my hands, and my belief that this is not and never will be goodbye. Today is and always has been such a perfect day to say goodbye, and to once again say hello.